or if you want to add the same table, click on add legend. So it will ask you that which table do you want. Here is the different type of tables. Direction, if you need the direction, you can select the direction, or you can enter D from your keyboard. If you need the elevation, you can add the elevation. If you need slope, you can add slope. If you need slope arrow, you can slope arrow contours, you can add all this one. So click on this and it will ask you select the dynamic or static. So if you want to select dynamic, it will give you dynamic. So select this one. Now you can see that you have this minimum direction and maximum direction table. If you want to add some another table, just click here and select the elevation table. So it will ask the dynamic, just select and click here the corner. So this will be the elevation table. We already did analysis for all. So you can see that this color for this color for this. So if you want to change the color coding, you can also change the color coding. I will explain it also. So click again the table. If you want to add the arrow or contour table, you can just select it. Dynamic and statistic, you can just select it. This is your contours table. If you want to add any other table, again select the surface, add, and go to watershed and ask dynamic and click here the corner. You can see that your table is added. All detail is here from where to where, area display, area. You can see the area analysis also giving to you that from where to where and how much is the area and the color and lines. So next, if you need again any other table like slope arrows, you can also edit dynamic and you can edit the slope arrow table here. This is your slope arrow, from which if you going to show here the slope arrow, for example, let me explain it here. Surface property and go to the information, and from the information just change it here. You can see it here, or for this purpose you need to go to select the surface. Once you go to select the surface, go to the edit surface style and go to display. Once you go to the display, and from here let me do it like this, edit surface style. And once you select edit surface style, so just turn on the slope, apply. You can just click apply slope arrows, go to the slope arrow, on slope arrow and apply. You can see that this is your slope arrows. So if you need a direction, which already we draw the direction, you just turn on the direction and you turn off the slope arrow, apply. Now you can see the direction here, and also the direction table is here. So if you need again the elevation table, you just select it and turn off the direction, apply, and it will be show you the elevation for the table, and also the table and coloring is here. So let me do it like this. Now it should be easy. Select surface, edit surface style, display, and now I will just explain the arrow, so it will be easy. Select it, apply, and okay. Now you can see that which percentage is available, the color is same. For example, the red, you can see this red arrow, so it show you the red arrow table is here. Let me move it here little bit. Okay, so the red arrow is mean that your percentage is here. 0.10% is minimum and 1.56 is maximum. If you see the yellow, it will give you this percentage. If you see the green, it will give you this percentage. So kind of this you can do the analysis. I hope this is helpful. We will see in the next tutorial. Goodbye and